then, it's Christmas Eve. I'm at the beach. Tide's on its way out, and yeah, I'm out with a Manticore. It's not a bad day. It's a little bit windy, but it's not too bad. And as you can see, I've got a 360 camera as well. So let's all wave. I think it's recording. Yeah, it's waving. Yeah, look. So there you go. So today I'm using a different camera as well as my normal camera. Let's see if I can interact it. Hopefully I can. And yeah, so out with the Manticore again. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, and thanks for following me throughout the last year. I've now hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm really chuffed with, because I didn't expect to do that before Christmas, to be fair. So I'm really chuffed, and thank you very much. I don't anticipate finding a lot today, as I've been through here fairly recently with the legend, so it'd be quite nice to see if I can find something else. It looks like the sea's turfed another load of area off up here, so there is a possibility that there could be some more stuff. So yeah, so enjoy. And as you can see, I'm in the festive suit today. So enjoy. If it gets too much, yeah, it'll be removed. As I say, enjoy and see you at the first hole. It's a 25-26. I'd expect that to be a bit of aluminium, I would have thought. Bit of copper. No, just a bit of copper. Oh, we've got a 33. Oh, just jumped up to a 39-40 now. Possibly a bit of aluminium, to be fair. Still up there in the late 30s, early 40s. Confused. So it's now jumping around in the 70s. Right, nothing. Oh, that's a coin. Well, I never. There's a penny. Just 1 pence. I would say it was a penny or something before. Nice and rusty signal. But yeah, it's coppery. So I would say that it was probably a penny once before. About the right size. That was giving me a bit iffy signals all across, so I didn't show you it being dug, but yeah, I'm going to say that was a penny. This is the upper 70s. Everything else is grunting around me, so that's a 76 up to 81. Not that far down according to the gauge. That's 3 or 4 down, so let's see what it is. Sitting at 76 now. It's out. It's out. And it's another penny. Yeah, another penny. Alright, so that's a 70 all the way up to 81. So is it another penny that's split open, or is it something else? Let's have a look. Oh no, it's a bloody pound, I don't believe it. It's a pound. I was not expecting that. Get in there. 21.22. I think it's normally a 5 pence piece, if I remember rightly. I guess that's just on the, oh no, that might be on the legend actually, sorry. Right, it's out. Oh no, it is a 5p. Yeah, 5 pence. Been there a little while. Nice signal, 72, 74, 69. A decent enough signal. Not far from the 5p and the pound coin, so is it another coin? It's out. It is another coin. This time it's a penny that's been buckled up. So it's a penny, and as you can see, it's been mangled. Never mind. Mid to upper 50s, occasionally dropping into 60s, lower 60s. So let's see what we got. Sitting at 61 now. Oh, potentially out. Jumping around a little bit. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's an old pound. It's an old pound. Oh. Yeah, an old Scottish pound. It's got the thistles on the back. Thank you very much. Another 2021. This is going to be another 5p. Can't see anything. Yep, another 5p. £5p. 28.29. Got two lots by the looks of it, or sounds of it I should say. That'll be just a bit of copper I would have thought. Oh no, it's a whoop. Hear the sound? Oh no, what is that? It's a bloody bottle cap. I haven't had one of them for a long time. They're a rarity for me. And there you go, a rusty old bottle cap. That's a 22, 23. All the other 21s, 22s, 20s, all been 5p pieces. So I don't anticipate this being that, but no, bit of bullet casing. Yeah, a bit that goes around the bullet. So it's unravelled itself. The 50-52. Still a 52, 54 now. Right, it's out. And now it's out, it's a 56, 58. Oh, what's that? Another coin, and should be a penny. Looking at that. No. It's a foreign coin. Let's say one. I ain't got my glasses on. That says 1 cent. Is that one of our American friends? Liberty. Yeah, it's one of the American ones. So it's an American 1 cent coin. I don't know the date. Can't really see. But yeah, American 1 cent. It is jumping around a little bit. But it is generally the upper 20s, early 30s. Every now and again I'm getting an iron grunt as well, whether that is what it is or whether it's something that's close by it, I don't know. It's dropped to 30 now. Still saying it's deep. Unfortunately, there's only so far I can dig down. Oh, maybe out. It is. It's another coin. Is that a 10p? Yeah, 10 pence. 2009. As you saw there, deep beyond the pointer by at least 2-3 inches. These are 9 inches, 10 inches, so you're looking over a foot down. So you can hear so 44, well 43 to 46. No grumbles. So, is it a bit of aluminium? Is it a coin? Or is it a bit of copper? We'll only know because when we open it. No, neither. Neither of the above. Bit of aluminium. Not too sure if that used to be part of munitions actually. Would be an aluminium, I don't know. Don't know. Answers on a postcard.